Hello and welcome to part 2 of our Anytime Learning Report Designer e-course. My name is Shannon Roberts and I'm one of the support technicians here at ITAS. In this session today, we'll cover navigation within the report with the differences between the report in design mode and the report in preview mode, the different sections within the report such as the toolbars, the properties, report explorer, file explorer and the variables. So to start off with navigation within the report, here I've got the Sales Ledger Account Details report opened in design mode. The standard report layout is divided into 5 sections represented by the banners across the report. Okay, so moving away from design mode into preview mode, it's quite simple. All we need to do is go into the view and preview. This shows the report exactly how it would be run when run from Sage 200. Brings up the criteria as if it was run from Sage 200, and we can just put a sample amount just for this video here. There we go. And this shows us all our pages as if it was run from Sage 200. Now to get back to design mode, all we need to do is view and back to designer. But a quick way back, we've still got this icon at the bottom right hand side of the screen, which is a quick way back from back to designer or back to preview by clicking there. Okay, so along the top of the report here, we've got our toolbars. First, we've got File. This is to open, close, or create a new report, maybe export or email, print. Secondly, along the top, we've got Edit. This is to copy, cut, and paste sections within the report. View. This shows all our panes on the right-hand side. So at the moment, we've got our properties and our Report Explorer, variables, File Explorer, all which will be covered in a little moment. So if they're not viewing, we just select them or deselect them. In Toolbox, here we can add images, text, boxes and lines into the report. Sections, we can add different sections, as mentioned earlier, page header, report header, details, they're all the default ones. And the report is where we can change what data comes into the report. So we've got our joins, maybe add some new tables into our variables, and the email settings. Format, to edit the format of the report, for example, alignment, order, or grouping. Tools, we can check spelling, data source manager, and expression snippets. Help is about the report designer and links to the Sage help file. Search and about, check for updates. There are a number of different panes and toolbars you can use to edit your reports. First of all, if we have a look at properties, we just go to View, Properties, and it brings a section on the right hand side. Some of the key features we've got within properties. First of all, if we go to criteria, this filters the sort of information that you're having when running the report. You can edit existing ones or enter new ones. Email options, we've just got right here. This is all the settings for the configuration of emailing the report, from email signatures and the attachments on the email. And export options, from here we can select which sections are included when exporting the report to Excel. One of the most useful ones, I think, would be suppress printing. And the two options we've got here are false or true. And that just means whether it's visible when printed. The second pane we'll look at today is Report Explorer, just on the right hand side here. If it's not already there, just go to View and Report Explorer, that'll bring it up. So this shows all the information that you've got within your report currently. This is regardless of size or whether it's visible on printing. Each page is a heading. And in that, by expanding that, it'll show you each section that is in a page, and then each variable or item that's set within there as well. Another pane we've got right here is File Explorer. This shows us different reports we can open in different windows. Just by selecting a different layout, it'll open up in a different window. If this section's not here, just go to View and File Explorer. And the last one we'll look at is variables. These are all the tables we've got within SQL with the variables. From there, we can just drag and drop onto the report. Okay, thanks for watching and for listening to our Anytime Learning Report Designer e-course Part 2. Hope you've enjoyed, and we'd love some feedback if you've got a chance to leave a comment. If you want any regular updates on upcoming courses, free guides or blog posts, please follow us on Twitter at ITAS Solutions. Our next session will be session 3, and we're covering how to copy a report, where to save it, and the default print.